In front of me is Motorola Moto G56, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by going into Devices Settings. Now scroll down to click on Apps. Scroll down again to hit app lock. And pick one of those login methods for your apps: pattern, PIN or password. Then create it. Choose Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Then select Confirm. Now to lock any app, use gray switcher next to it and wait. So when I go back and try to access this app, icons that app lock is required. To disable app lock from any app, go back to the same settings and tap on No Blue switcher. To delete app lock completely from your device, click on this gear icon next to Unlock method, tap on Reset App Lock, and confirm your choice in the pop-up by tapping on Reset. Then wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!